Hi, good morning. Today it is 3rd July 2022 and the time is 8:50. Every week I cover US indices as well as crypto and uh, cryptos, ETH and USD. And this time I want to make a video on each one of the indices separately because I've already mentioned in the month of June that 4th July to 8th July is the key week based on time cycle in Dow Jones. So I would like to analyze each and everything, and this is actually for my abroad followers. First, I will try to cover Nasdaq, and this is based on time cycles and the normal trend line pattern or whatever you call, and Ichimoku, pitchfork, little bit of harmonics, and key dates to watch or key weeks to watch and key month to watch, which will be the deciding factor in the coming weeks or months or days to come. See, always remember, time is the key. When I first covered Dow Jones in my YouTube video, this is long back, 4 months back, or 5 months back, not even, I think more than that. The dates which I mentioned there all worked like magic, not only in Dow Jones, even in cryptos. Even though I don't trade all that, but the dates worked like magic. So time is the essence. Time is the essence, not the price. Okay. So now I will try to cover NASDAQ, and I will, in the last part of the video, I'll try to cover how to trade NASDAQ based on fortune signals. Okay. So now let's go to the video. First, this is NASDAQ on a daily basis. As I already mentioned, this two lines, the bigger black color line is my fortune signals monthly. Fortune signals monthly. So it has broken that level and close to below. First of all, it is looking ugly. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Okay. And this is a falling wedge. You all can know this is a simple falling wedge. So break below the wedge, we are in for another major problem. And where will be the support? Suppose if it comes and try to take somewhere here, it says 15th July. 15th July, in case if it comes and touches, uh, you know, this falling wedge, possibility of making a bottom. Why? Because these three lines are pitchfork lines. These three lines are pitchfork lines. And apart from that, this is the major line of pitchfork. If I go and take the data long back, when I connect the pitchfork data, it says till it holds this blue color line, there is nothing to worry. Okay, I will try to cover pitchfork in a detailed video. In a detailed thing in the later part of the video. But as of now, it is falling wedge. What I am saying now is, in case if it comes and touches the falling wedge here on 15th, with the combination of pitchfork bottom, possibility of taking a bottom. But as of now, it looks ugly, no doubt about it. Okay, so now let's go to pitchfork. So I've drawn three pitchforks here. I've drawn one on the top, one on the bottom, and one on the major trend. Okay, so now if you go here, and remember, I already told 21st June. 21st June is the key date for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, whatever you call. Okay, whichever indices, 21st is the D day. Simple. So as of now, after 21st January, after 21st June, Nasdaq is not closed till now below 21st June low. Understood? Number one. Number two, if I connect the pitchfork from here on 21st May bottom to 2nd June top and 16th June low, it says it is holding this blue color line. This blue color line. This blue color line. And this one is the bigger trend. This blue color trend is the bigger trend. Close below it, it is definitely a problem. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Okay. So now, as of now, it is holding 21st June low and to pitchfork bottom, which is the blue color line. Okay. So in case if it takes a support, if it holds low, where it will go? The first possibility is it will try to go and intersect somewhere around these three lines. Okay, these three lines. More or less, it will try to do 12,123 level. Okay, break about, but I will give you all the important numbers based on fortune signals in the later part of the video. So even in case if it breaks, this is the first median line resistance. And more or less it is going top. So possibility of going and touching the fortune signals daily, which is 12,813 to 13,044 or 13,035. Okay, we can take it this way. 13,035. All this I'm giving just by taking a fortune signals numbers. Okay, this is derived fully. So now I don't need to do a lot of work after doing, pitchfork and all that. Everything is designed already in my system. So I use predominantly, fortune signals for my trading with the combination of dates and other stuff. So based on pitchfork, it says, yes, it made the bottom. Yes, it made the bottom till it holds this blue color line, which was the larger trend of pitchfork. And the minor trend is this one, and it is holding. Apart from that, it is holding 21st June low. But if you ask me whether there will be a bullish reversal and going to all-time high in Nasdaq, all that is not possible. Always remember this. Whenever, if Jan month low, after Jan month, if any of the two consecutive months close below Jan month low, the possibility of making a bottom will happen only in the month of December. This can be applicable in any indices. Right? This is a thumb rule. If any indices close below Jan month low consecutively for 2 months, then the bottom will happen in the month of December. Okay. Whether there is any hard and fast rule that it has to, oblige that? No, because market is always supreme. But what I'm giving you now is this is the past data. You can go and do this work. Okay. And that's how it works. That's how market works. So that's why we always say Jan month high and low is very key. And I, take webinars on how Jan month is the key to determine the entire remaining 11 months time. Okay, so that's different. Okay, so now as of now, pitchfork, I've already explained, right? So now let's go to Ichimoku. What it says in Ichimoku, the Ichimoku says it is clearly below the cloud on daily. So definitely it is bearish. Coming to weekly, bearish because it is below the Ichimoku low, and lagging span is out of any endurance, so there is no problem at all on weekly also. And coming to monthly, it is holding. Still the cloud is bullish, so no need to worry about it. And even in case if the lagging span, in case if the market comes down, it will come and take the support somewhere around 9566 level. But as of now, in Ichimoku, it says only on the monthly time frame, it is bullish. And if you go to weekly, you go to weekly, maybe I will try to remove all this so that you can see very well. Okay. So even on weekly, it is bearish and the cloud is expanding. The cloud is expanding and it is clearly says the future is bearish. Future is bearish, right? Possibility in case it has to break this level on or before 29th August 2022, because Ishimoku, it will always try to break when the cloud width is very, very near. The cloud width should be near so that it will try to break. And whenever it breaks this kind of a cloud, it means the fall will be massive. Normally it won't do it. And that is what we explained in the last webinar. And that's how Nifty took the exact support on 1 hour Ichimoku, low on the cloud low, and from there, it flared up on right. So based on Ichimoku, yes, 100% bearish on daily and weekly. So we need to watch how it is going to plan out. So now in daily also, it is going big. And in fortune signals, I have already given the number. Now this monthly low is not active because it is already close to below the monthly low. So now this big line is not active. So where it says, if you go to monthly, then it says it is here. So as of now, that number is not valid. So now on daily, this is the two numbers which we need to watch out for now in Dow Jones in case if it takes the bottom and goes underwards. But based on pitchfork, I've already told you where is the resistance in my starting. Now let's go to harmonic. It says yes, bottom is done in case if on a weekly trend, in case if it holds this bottom, okay, possibility of going and touching 14,384, 15,701, all this possible. Target stop loss is 8835. But nobody can withstand this kind of a fall in case if it comes to 8835. But in case if it breaks below the pitchfork low, I think it will easily come and touch this level, 8835. So I don't give a lot of importance to harmonics for a shorter time duration. For a longer time duration, yes, even if you go to monthly also, you can use monthly. And based on fortune signals, I will explain you how to trade. See, I have combined so many things, but fortune signals is very easy to understand everything without doing any lot of analysis into this. Okay, so now let's come to fortune signals. And before that, I will give you the dates. Kindly mark the dates. Okay, this month, November 2022, it says it's a miracle month for Nasdaq. Coming to weekly, this week, which is August 1st week, and December 1st week is a very, very crucial week for Nasdaq. And coming to daily, it says 21st as of now and 15th July. It is 15th July. 14th and 15th are combination dates. I'm talking about the dates for the month in Nasdaq. Okay. 14 to 15 is a combination date. So you can watch 14 and 15 in Nasdaq. This is on a daily. On a weekly and monthly, I've already given you, 1 second. Where is it? Just now I don't know where I left it. Anyway, no problem. I've already given the month also. Weekly, no. Yeah, it is here. No. Yeah. So weekly, I've already told first week of August. Monthly, November month is the key, and weekly last week, December week, 27th week, which is the last week of December. It says, it's a big trend change week for Nasdaq, and more or less is this combining with the January month strategy. Okay, so understand this. So now let's go to fortune signals without doing any analysis. Simply we'll go and watch fortune signals. Okay, so now based on fortune signals, on daily, it says, I'll close all that. We'll keep it very simple. So it is holding this, pink color line, and it went and closed below for 2 days. But again, it recouped, and 21st was the important date. 21st was the important date, and it is holding that low. And it is holding my pink color till it holds pink color line. There is no worry. But where is the target? The target is this. It is the blue color line and red color line will be the resistance on a daily basis. Let's come to weekly. Weekly has given a genuine sell, so it is 100% because it gave a sell. After that, it went above. It is not closed below this sell candle, sell initiation candle. Till the time it was a fake sell. But once this candle closed below, this candle closed below below this candle low, which is 7th March low, it becomes genuine. So it is 100% weak on a weekly trend. Let's go to monthly. Always remember this. Always remember this. On fortune signals. Whenever a candle breaks below this red color, and it is not closing below this candle, but this is monthly, we have another 30 days to go. If it is not closing below this candle low, possibility of U-turn. And this is what I said in Nifty with the combination of date, and that is where we took the bottom. And you can go back and watch my last week forecast video. So whenever it breaks this red color line on fortune signals, if this candle low is held, then we don't need to worry about Nasdaq. So what is this low? Last month low is 11,037. Why this month is very important? Only because of fortune signals I'm saying. I'm not telling anything else. If you want to go and draw, trend line, RSI, pitch, whatever, blah, 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 you can do all that. But based on fortune signals, I don't need to do a lot of things here. I simply open my chart on monthly, weekly. I can simply say, once it broke this red color, if this candle low is held on a monthly basis, because this is monthly. If it is daily, I would have told daily. If it is weekly, I would have told weekly. Okay? Till it hold this low, you don't need to worry about it. Okay, now let's go to trading part. Let's go to first 1 hour. See this, okay? On 1 hour basis, it gave a sell at 14,478 and it become genuine on 1 hour. From there, we are seeing whenever it goes and touches my blue and red color, it will fall. Whenever it goes and touches my blue and red color, it will fall. Okay, it broke, again it is in sell. Again, whenever it goes and touches my blue and red, it will fall. Once this came a genuine buy. This is for trading. And from the short came here at 14,448. And from there is no buy on 1 hour. The buy came at 12,567 and it has become genuine. You need to go long only when it comes and touches the blue. So it came, touched the blue, went up, but it was a gap down, stop trigger. Again, it started falling, went up and touched the blue color. Here, again a gap down. Again, went up and touched here, and this was the genuine buy. Which happened on 24th June. After 21st June, which was a very important day, the genuine buy came in 1 hour on 24th June. Why it has become genuine? Because this candle, after this buy initiation candle, this candle closed above this candle, so it has become genuine. So you need to buy at the blue. Okay, so it has become genuine. Wait for it to come and touch the blue. You bought it here. And after that, it was a sell. But whether it's a genuine sell, no, 100% no. Why? The same logic applies here. Whenever there is a sell, if the next candle or whenever after this, if no candle closed below this candle, it means it is fake sell. So it is still in buy, which you bought here, it is still in buy. So based on hourly, if it closed below this low, any 1 hour candle closed below this candle low, then it's become genuine. Till that time, you can use it. This can be used in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 day, whatever time frame or whichever time frame the trader you are, the same logic applicable, even in 1 minute also. So we use 1 minute to trade Nifty based on fortune signal. So it says this is a fake sell till it holds this low, which is 11,325. There is no worry. If any candle closes below this candle low, then it has become genuine. You will see some more fall, right? And you don't need to go on short here. Once the genuine comes, you can simply wait till it goes and touches the 1 hour blue 100, and you can initiate the short where the stop loss will be very, very small. Let's go to 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, it gave a buy here and went up, came down near to the blue, but here blue is not touched. Here the blue is touched and the stop loss triggered. And again came down. Now, after breaking this, it came down all the way, touched the blue and went up. So how to trade this now? As of now, on a trading perspective, 1 hour it's still in bullish because it's a fake sell. So 1 hour is still valid. Once you get a genuine buy on 15 minutes, you can initiate a long. But in case if we trade Nasdaq, I will try to go long here because this was more or less the low of 21st important trend change here. So we combine the date and the fortune signals to get the bottom where the stop loss is very, very limited. Hope you understood. So based on 15 minutes, in case if it gives a buy, genuine buy somewhere here, once it gives a genuine buy on somewhere here, you can take a call or wait for it to come and touch the blue and red again. Once it becomes genuine, you can take a call where from there the stop loss is very, very limited. This is how we use for trading purpose also. See, if you go here, it gave a buy, wait for it to come and touch the blue. It came and touched the blue, buy here. Again went up, came and touched the blue, buy here. Till it is holding 1 minute long. This is for pure intraday. I'm talking about in 1 minute. These are pure intraday. Till you bought here, you don't need to, when there is a fall, you don't need to panic. You can simply sit on it. For a trading purpose. This is for intraday, whatever you call. For intraday, in my system, 1 minute is more than enough. You don't need 5 minutes, 15 minutes to trade intraday. Even if you go, somebody follows 3 minutes because 1 minute is very, very lesser time frame. So whenever it gives a buy on 3 minutes, once it becomes genuine, you can simply buy. Or you can wait for it to come and touch the blue, where the stop loss would be very limited. You can take the call. Right? Hope I covered a little bit of detail because I don't use normal trend line, RSI, MACD, and all that. But I'm not saying it is all wrong. But you can definitely use all that. I've given the dates. I've given the pitchfork, bottom levels, and harmonic bottom levels, and Ichimoku bottom levels with the combination of time cycle, the important dates in weeks and month, and fortune signals, how to use it for a shorter time frame also. So use it wisely, try to make money out of it. Again saying, the bottom is not done. Most probably, for Nifty, the bottom will happen in the month of October. And for Nasdaq, it says the bottom will happen in the month of December. Let's watch, keeping the fingers crossed. Market always gives surprises. Let's see how it goes from here on because it's the third quarter starting. Let's see how the quarter goes from here. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. I will try to cover Dow Jones in the next video. And 12:30, we have a webinar for my subscribers. Today, we are going to discuss about market outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty, plus important stocks which we are going to watch out, and the one number magic which will do miracle for the whole month of July. Thanks a lot. See you soon in the webinar in case if you are interested. Bye.